Previously, I've shown you how to do a regular front spin. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a little more flair to it by adding in a throw. To do the actual throw, you start by doing a front spin. Once you can't rotate your wrist any further, and the bow is between your thumb and your index finger, you're going to lift your arm upwards. Let go, the bow will keep spinning. You're going to hold out your left hand, bring it up as the bow comes down, grab it, rotate out, bring it back behind, just like the front spin. You can keep doing more. When you're first learning this trick, you're going to want to start with little throws. The reason being, the more time it's in the air, the more time it has to get away from you. The reason we catch the bow palms up is so that the bow falls into your hand. If we were to try and catch it palms down, we have to catch up to the bow, including its rotation, and then grab it, leaving a lot more room for error. When throwing the bow, we lift our arm upwards because it allows us to get more height without adding more rotation. If we really try and just crank our wrist, we're not going to get very high, and instead we're just going to result in a really fast spinning bow, which is insanely hard to catch. So, by lifting our arm upwards, we get a nice controlled throw. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments, and check out my channel for more videos.